Good morning, students. So, today we are going to continue the lesson number 9, social health. In today's topic, we are going to take information about cyber crimes. So, one information is given here in internet, my friend. So, cyber crimes. So, how do cyber crime happens in our daily routine life? Mostly it happens or it is seen, cyber crime is seen in banking, isn't it? So, let's see. Bank continuously spread the message on mobile phones about not to disclose the Aadhaar or PAN or credit card or debit card number and other personal information if demanded by any person. है ना? तो we should not disclose our Aadhaar number, PAN number, credit or debit card number to any unknown person. Secondly, do not disclose your PIN to anyone while withdrawing cash from ATM machine or purchasing through card payment. Why such instructions are given? Because it must be hacked. अगर हम ये डिस्क्लोज करते हैं तो इट मस्ट बी हैक्ड बाय हैकर्स. So we should not disclose our PIN of ATM and other payment cards. Consumer are divided by showing superior items on websites but actually selling the items of either inferior quality or impaired ones. Banking translocations are done using PIN without the knowledge of consumers. So, bank transactions can be seen. If you have given your PIN, it can be seen easily. So, confidential information about government institutes and companies is obtained from internet with the help of computer programs or other ideas and misused. This is called as hacking of information. So, what is hacking of information? Our confidential information, when disclosed by some internet computer hackers, which has been misused by them by using various computer programs. So, all these misuses are known as hacking of information. So, nowadays, crimes like opening a fake account on Facebook, you know well about fake Facebook accounts and displaying false information and thereby teasing the girls or exploiting them financially. So many cases are seen nowadays in fake account on Facebook. So all these are the crimes. All these things are known as cyber crime. Misuse or illegal sale of the written literature or software or photos, videos, music, etc. of others by obtaining from internet is called as piracy. अगर हम किसी का कोई मटेरियल चुराते हैं, that stolen material is known as piracy. Then the next is electronic media is also misused by sending derogatory messages, spreading vulgar pictures and inflammatory statements. So we should not put any inflammatory statement. Inflammatory statement, akshaparya vidhan. We should not do all these things. We should not spread vulgar messages. We should not spread inflammatory statements or any derogatory messages which is objectionable. So all these statements are included in cybercrime. Then exchange of information through media like email, Facebook and WhatsApp occurs very fast. However, our personal information and phone numbers are automatically spread and thereby reaches the unwanted persons, which leads to malpractices like incoming of unnecessary messages. Some of such messages either impair or shut down the mobiles and computers. So automatically, if our number has been spread, cybercrime or the persons who are involving all these crime things can misuse our data. So we should not spread all these all our personal information on email or on Facebook or on WhatsApp also. तुम्ही जर स्वतःचा फोटो जरी फेसबुक किंवा व्हॉट्सअपवर टाकला आणि इतरांनी तो बघितला तर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे त्याचा कसाही मिसयूज होऊ शकतो. सो वी शुड नॉट स्प्रेड अवर पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन दीज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया. ऑल द अबाव मेन्शन इन्सिडेन्सेस आर एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ सायबर क्राईम. आतापर्यंत आपण जे जे बघितले मीडिया, all these mentioned incidences are the examples of cybercrime. Committing such crimes is also a mental illness. हे असे प्रकार करणे, it is also included in mental illness. त्याला आपण मेंटल इलनेसही म्हणू शकतो असं काम करणाऱ्या लोकांना. Later on, the criminal also has to face the mental stress. Cybercrime unit has been newly launched in police department. Cybercrime experts collect the details, investigate the cybercrime, and thereby find the criminal with the help of internet. So one department is there in police, which is known as cybercrime unit. This unit help the people who will be suffered from this cybercrime. So this is about cybercrime. Now IT Act 2000 एक ॲक्ट आहे, one act is there. Let's see about that. So IT Act 2000, this act has been enacted since 17th October 2000 and been amended in 2008. 17 ऑक्टोबर 2000 मध्ये हा ॲक्ट आला, इनॅक्ट झाला आणि अमेंडेड फॉलो केव्हा झाला तो 2008. पर्सन कमिटिंग द सायबर क्राईम हॅज टू फेस द पनिशमेंट लाईक इम्प्रिझॉनमेंट फॉर 3 years ऑफ फाईन अप टू 5 lakh. म्हणजे 3 वर्षांसाठी जेल आणि 5 लाख रुपये फाईनसुद्धा बसू शकतो. सायबर क्राईममध्ये जर रिपोर्ट गेला आणि तो जर रिपोर्ट ब्लेम झाला, प्रूफ झाला तर. महाराष्ट्र इज ॲट forefront in controlling the cyber crimes, and it has been proved to be first state to start the separate cyber crime unit. आणि महाराष्ट्रामध्ये पण separate cyber crime unit is there. So this is about cyber crime.